you feel after you are such a nuisance and hindrance?
You know I'm gonna edit my vlog to look like I'm damn cool, right? You're damn lame, right? I'm just telling you.
Hello everybody, today I'm at Kallang Wave Mall or Stadium, and today we're going to go for sports. What sports? Water sports. So actually we're going to canoe or kayak. I'm going to do it with Willard and we're going to see what happens. Now we have a small problem. The small problem is that where do we get these boats? But I don't think it'll be that big of an issue. Only other issue that she's finding him is at gate 5. I asked someone, he said he was there, but Willard's here. So I guess we have to see, wait and see. Hello everybody, so today, now we have reached Singapore Water Sports Centre. We're going to go on a canoeing. Yeah, so we're in the locker room and we're going to use the location for we have rented the items and we are going to go on our canoeing adventures. We are currently on a kayak and it's quite fun, don't you agree with that?
Yeah, because I'm the only one doing work with them. Oh, my core is damn pain my core is damn pain.
I'm going to try to use the racetrack, but I haven't even reached the track and we are damn tired now. And now we're taking a break.
Oh,
but this will be the track from there to there, and it seems that I'm drenched by my own doing, but it's okay. I think it's quite fun. Willard is quite unimpressed actually, but never mind. Forget about Willard, I think it's damn fun. Yeah.
No pointer.
It's not. It's like as fun as running, or even it's more fun than running.
Yeah, drink a bit of water first.
Okay.
We're gonna give this a fucking all, dude.
Okay. Hi.
Just check. Okay.
Are you fucking ready, Willard?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We go on the right first, left first, okay? Fuck! I'm so fucking happy, dude. Okay, we completed about 3/4. I think 3/4, half to 3/4. And so far, seems that in our kayaking journey we have only spent 30 minutes. And Willard is fucking tired.
You are not tired, okay?
I'm not as tired as you are actually. Okay, we have just rammed the stops. And let's carry the stop signs with us. Okay? Are you ready? Canoeing, kayaking, it was quite lit. Says very lit, it's the best $8 spent, except that Willard. Hey, where's water, do you know?
Mine, but
okay. Yeah, it was the best $8 spent. I thought it was very fun. Willard said it was too boring, there was no scenery, blah blah blah. Willard being Willard.
What's corrected about me?
I guess I keep trying to flip the boat, is it?
Yes.
So this marks the end of our kayaking. Willard, on a scale of 1 to prawning, how lit is this? 6.5 I think prawning is 6.5, it's not 10 but okay. Bye bye.